morning, happy Monday. I'm back at work, as you can see, very excited to be back and into the swing of things. Bonus is that I also found out that I did have mini clothespins in my desk drawer, so I was able to hot glue them on, and all of my friends fit perfectly, and it looks really cute. So I'm really happy about this because I was feeling like it didn't look that great, and now I feel like it looks like I put way more time into it than I actually did, except my broom is a little wonky. But super easy, just these little tiny ones that I hot glued to the back. I think I've used the E6000 glue in the past, stained my pants, also didn't work. So, yeah, no, I can't really attest, so hopefully the hot glue hangs tight and keeps them all together and the kids don't peel them off. But, like I said, very excited that I got this finished. We are setting up with Ned's head. I've got all my pieces out. I came into work this morning to find out that I was locked out of my computer, but like not actually locked out. Usually you get locked out if you do the wrong password too many times, but I had to like have my domain taken off of the network list and then re-add it. I don't know, maintenance had to come. Very sweet. He got that all squared away. Also, for whatever reason, my mouse battery decided to conk out and that was dead and I had to go find a new AA battery, but we are all together now. We are good. We are ready to go for the day. Nothing is going to slow us down today. I'm very excited to see my kids, and I've got some paperwork that I was working on. I called some parents for a meeting, the meeting that I couldn't have Friday. We rescheduled for today, left a voicemail because there was no answer, got in touch with a couple of people that left me voicemails while I was out, touched base with them, all was good. And I think that's pretty much it. So yes, I'm very ready to get this day started. We also have our Play-Doh here, just in case we end up using this today at any point. I don't think we're gonna end up needing it, but I've got it out. We've got the book, and then these are the pieces to Ned's head, and Ned is over there chilling on my desk, which is a mess. Also, I got that Lysol over the weekend thinking it was orange, but it's like orange meadow scent. It's awful and I don't recommend it. We're probably not going to be using that for very much longer because I cannot stand the smell. But I'm gonna try to like fix Ned because he's like a little crushed, and that's the reason why I didn't like him, was because he just can't hang with looking normal. But we'll see if we can like fix him up a little bit and make him look a little more presentable. Also, my camera tripod that I'm currently using right now is on its very last leg, and I went to order another one last night, but they only have this one. This is the Polaroid one, and then they have like an Amazon Basics one that's pretty much the exact same thing. Still got bad reviews. And then the larger ones are either much taller or they're like $30 or $40, and your girl doesn't have that kind of money to spend on like a baby mini tripod. So if you have any tripod suggestions, please list them down below, because I want one that's not going to break. Like this one, it doesn't stay upright, like the little twisty knob, and then also one of the legs continuously falls off. So we are going to try to make do with it for now, but I am on the hunt for a new one. I think that's pretty much everything though. I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, it is lunchtime now. I just wanted to pop on here and let you know how well my morning sessions went. We did Ned's head with one group and they absolutely loved it. I started doing a 5-second timer for how long they're able to have their hand in Ned's head, just so that they're not like fishing around for the same piece for forever. So they get 5 seconds and then they have to pull their hand out. If they didn't get the piece that they needed, they keep their card until the next round, so on and so forth. They loved it, so I'm super excited. It seems like it's going to be a hit for everyone. And then I did Room on the Broom with my preschool class, and they really liked that story, so that was good. It was a little crazy, but it's a Monday and it's always a little crazy on Mondays, so they did pay attention for most of the story though. I'm excited to do that with some of my smaller groups in here for language later on this week. If we're not doing Ned's head. And then, like I said, this afternoon we are doing all Ned's head except for my last group in the Tier 3 classroom I'm pushing in with Room on the Broom. So, it should be a pretty good day. I am finishing up progress reports because I started them last week and then didn't get to finish them, and they have to go home tomorrow with the students, so I need to finish up my last little bit of those. And honestly, just try to catch my breath because I am exhausted already and it is way too early in the day to be feeling like this. So hopefully I get a burst of energy or something and I can power through the rest of the day. But I will check in with you guys at the end of the day and let you know how the rest of my groups liked Ned's Head. Hey guys, we made it to the end of the day. I'm gonna make this quick because I really want to get out of here and go home because I am exhausted. But it was a great end of the day. My IEP went super well. It was actually, we just held it in the principal's office because the parent wasn't able to make it. So that was quick, good. We did room on the broom with my tier 3 class. I also got to help them make handprint skeletons, which was super adorable, and I kind of want to do that next year, even though like paint and me are kind of iffy with speech therapy activities. But I did have a lot of fun. Like I said though, I am going to head home now and crash and rest and recoup and have some chicken noodle soup. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. I came in really early this morning to finish printing out progress reports because report cards do go home today. Got all of those done. I'm missing 4 folders, 4 envelopes, so I have to run to the office and grab those. Other than that, that's completed. Then I have to do Medicaid billing and also set up for the rest of today. We are continuing with our Ned's Head. I'm pretty sure it's Ned's Head all day today, so that'll be fun. I'm really glad that we get to play more of that because the kids seemed to really like it yesterday. I do have one meeting today later on this morning, my other one this afternoon. The mom called yesterday to reschedule it for 2 more weeks, so I do have to set that up. It's a good thing I make these because otherwise I forget everything that I have to do. But I'm gonna go input all of that stuff in and I will check in with you guys and let you know how Ned's Head is going down. Hey guys, we made it to the end of the day. I'm happy to report that Ned has survived. He's a little worse for the wear because he has definitely been loved on something fierce today, but the good news is the kids all really enjoyed his like antics and the whole premise behind the game. In the future, I'm definitely going to go buy like more things and put them in because there's not a whole lot. I realized. I didn't realize how many cards were just blank cards that you could make your own. So I think that would be a lot of fun to like go shopping either after Halloween or like once the Halloween stuff hits the stores and just buy up some like little gremlins and monsters and erasers and different things like that to just stick in his head so that they can try to find it. We did end up closing off his ears, which I just held them closed because we had one too many peekers and cheaters, so they had to stick their hand in his mouth because it does have like a flap so that you can't really see into it, and that made it slightly more fair. But I had some kids that were amazing at this game and then some kids who like, I felt so bad. They could not get one card if their life depended on it. They tried so hard, but they just were not tactile feelers and you could definitely tell. So we tried to switch it up and make it as fair as possible, but they all still really liked it, so that is a bonus. I'm probably going to close out the vlog here just because I'm combining 2 days worth of material, so I will see you guys tomorrow.